Alright, so let's start from the very beginning so you can see how this works in a real scenario. This is the LinkedIn post, and let's say a user named Sheza comes in and leaves a comment. Something like, "This looks interesting. Can you explain how this works?" And instead of manually checking notifications or figuring out how to respond, the system immediately detects the comment, analyzes it, and classifies the intent. The moment that happens, I receive this email, and as you can see, it's not just a notification. It gives me the author, their profile, the exact comment, and a fully generated reply that's already tailored to what they asked. So instead of thinking about what to say, I just take this response, go to the post, and drop it indirectly. Now, once I have posted the reply, I simply confirm it by replying to the email like this. Once I confirm that the reply has been posted, for engagement only comments, the workflow stops there. But for inquiry and high intent conversation, I get another email asking me to approve whether its interaction should be treated as a qualified lead. So once I approve it, the system creates the contact, opens an opportunity, and logs all the engagement data into GoHighLevel. By this point, the person has already been invited in the public reply to reach out. And when they do, I follow up by sharing a chat link along with a unique reference tied to their interaction. From the user's perspective, it feels very simple. They open the link, drop in their reference code, and instantly the system knows who they are, what they commented, and what they are interested in. From there, the AI takes over the conversation. They can ask questions, explore more, and can request available time slots. The system fetches real-time availability, shows it to them, and they can just pick a slot that works. And the booking is handled automatically in the background. And once that booking is completed, everything updates again. The opportunity moves to the next stage. The appointment is created in the calendar, and I receive a final email with all the call details so I can prepare and follow up properly. Now before I wrap this up, I want to quickly show you something important. Because in real world usage, things don't always go perfectly, and the system is designed with that in mind. So for example, when a user enters the chat, the first thing we ask for is their reference code. That's what allows the system to pull in all the context, their comment, their intent, everything. Now if the user enters an incorrect code or maybe make a typo, the system doesn't break or return something confusing. It simply recognizes that the code doesn't match anything and responds in a clean, user-friendly way, asking them to verify and try again. And the same logic applies throughout the flow. Now on the booking side, this is where edge cases really matter. If they pick a slot that was just taken by someone else, it doesn't fail silently. It tells them that the slot is no longer available and suggests choosing another one. And even if they paste something incorrectly, maybe the format is off or it doesn't match the available options, the system handles that gracefully and asks them to copy the exact slot format.